Hello friends, today's topic is sort a array using quicksort algorithm. We we already discussed the quicksort algorithm in previous video. We give the link of previous video in description box. Let's start. This is the main function. J and array is integer type variables and enter the value for size of array. We enter the value of n is 3. Here 4 blocks are created because we start the value of j is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then we use the for loop for insert the data in these blocks. Enter the value in the jth blocks. We enter the value in jth blocks. Let's 23 and 11 and 39 and 18, and we call the quicksort function. Here array, this is array, and 0 first value and last value is 3. Here is n is 3 and this is last value. This is quicksort function. This is array and first value is 0 and last value is 3. Pivot value is integer type variables and first less than last. First value is 0 and last value is 3. Condition is true. Then pivot equal partition array first last. First value is 0 and last value is 3. And we call the partition function. This is a partition function. This is array and first value is 0 and last value is 3. Then left right temp pivot is integer type variables and we use the boolean type variables and we fix the swapped value is false. Here we fix the swapped value is false and pivot equal to left equal to first. The value of first is 1. 1 is insert and left and pivot means this left is point this and pivot point this and right equal to last. Right point the this. B initialize the value of swapped is false. Swapped not equal to true. Condition is true. Then array pivot is less than array right. Is condition false because pivot value is 23 and right value is 18. And pivot not equal to right condition is true, but this condition is false. Overall condition is false. Then execute this line. Pivot equal to right means condition is false because pivot value is 0 and right value is 3. Then execute else part. Array pivot is greater than right. Array pivot is greater than right. Condition is true. Then temp equal to array pivot. This value is inserted in temp. And array pivot equal to array right. This value and this value of array right is inserted in temp. And array right equal to temp. The value this temp is inserted in here. Pivot equal to right. Pivot value is 0 and right value is 3. Then right value is inserted in pivot means this link is removed and pivot point the right. Pivot point the right. If swapped not equal to true, condition is true because swapped value is false. Then pivot greater than array left. Pivot is greater than array left. Pivot value is 23, array left is 18. Condition is true. Pivot not equal to left. Condition is true. Then left plus plus. Then left point the this and this link is removed. And pivot equal to left, condition is false because pivot value is 3 and left value is 1. then then execute else part. Array pivot is less than array left. Array pivot value is array pivot value is 23 and array left value is 11. Condition is false. Then while loop execute again. This is while loop, and pivot value is less than array right. Pivot value is less than array right. Condition is false because pivot value is 23 and array right value is 23. Sorry, condition is true. Then pivot not equal to right. This condition is false. Then this condition is false. Then execute a part. Pivot equal to right. The value pivot value is 23 and right value pivot value is 3 and right value is 3. Condition is true. Then if value if swapped not equal to true, condition is true. Then array pivot is greater than array left. Array 23 and greater than array left. Condition is true. Pivot not equal to left. Condition is true. Then left plus plus. The left is increment. Then and this link is removed. It is 1. And pivot equal to left. Condition is false. Then execute this part. Array pivot is less than array left. Pivot value is 30, 39 and array left value is 23. Condition is false because pivot value sorry, condition is true because let's see, the pivot value is 23 and left value is 39. Condition is true. Then because 23 is less than 39. See, pivot value equal to left. Pivot value is pivot value equal to left. Condition is false. Then execute this line. Pivot is less than array left. Pivot is less than array left. Pivot value is 23 and left value is 39. 39. Condition is true because pivot value is false. Then temp equal to array pivot. This value is insert in pivot value. Pivot value is insert here. This is pivot value. Pivot value insert here, and array pivot equal to array left. The value is left is insert in here, and array left is equal to temp. This temp value is insert in here, and pivot equal to left. Pivot point the left, and this is remove, and pivot point the left. This is left. And the loop execute again. Pivot is less than equal to array right. Pivot value is 23 and right value is 39. Condition is true. Pivot not equal to right. Pivot not equal to right. Condition is true. Then right decrement. and this is decrement. This link is removed, and this is decrement, and this point the this, and pivot equal to right condition is true, then swept value is true. Now execute this. This part is not execute, and swept value is true, not true. If condition is true, then if condition is true, this part is not execute, and the value is check again while not equal to swept, but swept not equal to true. Condition is true because the value of swept is true. The loop is terminated, and B return the value pivot is 2. There, the value of return is 2 here, and here the pivot value is written 2. Here pivot value is written 2. This pivot value here pivot value is written 2, and the array is divided in 2 parts because the value of 23 is fixed, and this is array. First value is 0. First value is 0. Let's see. This array is divided in 2 parts. And first value is 0, and pivot value is last value is 2 minus 1 because pivot value is 2. 2 minus 1 this. This array is divided. The first value is 0 and last value is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. This part is 1, and second part is array. This is array and pivot plus 1. The value of pivot is 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3. This is 3, and last value is here. Last value is 3. There. This is divide. This is array is divided in 2 parts, and we execute this array again. Here the value of this is last. This is last, and here this is last, and this is first. And the pivot value is 2. Pivot value is 2. Pivot value is 2, and first value is 0. This is first value, and pivot value is 2 minus 1 1. This array is divided in 2 parts. First part is this, and quick sort array pivot. The pivot value is 2 plus 1 is 3. Is 3. This is 3, and last value is 3. This is 3, and the array is divided in 2 parts, 18 and 11 and 39, and 29 is value is fixed. Then we execute this line. Quick sort array first pivot minus 1. Then this is value, and array. This is array, and first value is 0 and last value is 1. Then first value is 0 and last value is 1. Condition is true. Then pivot equal to partition array. This is array, first value is 0 and last value is 1. We call the partition part. Let's see. This is a partition part, and left right is integer type variables and pivot, and we use the here boolean type variables, and pivot equal to left equal to first means this, pivot left point the this and pivot point the this, and here right equal to last, right point the this, right point the this, and swapped value is false, swapped value not equal to true, condition is true, pivot value is less than right, pivot value is 18 and right value is 11, condition is false. Then execute if parts, if equal to pivot, condition is false, then execute else part, pivot is greater than right, pivot is 18 and right is 11, condition is true. Then temp equal to pivot, the value of pivot is insert in temp, this is pivot and insert in temp, and here pivot equal to array right, the value of array right is insert in here, this is array right and this is insert here, and array right equal to temp means the temp value is insert in array right, and pivot equal to right, pivot point the right, this link is remove, and pivot is point the this C, swapped not equal to true, condition is true. Then because swapped value is false, array pivot is greater than array left, pivot value is greater than left, condition is true. Then array left pivot not equal to left, condition is true. Then left is increment, left point the this, and this link is remove. This link is removed, and left value is increment, the left value is increment, pivot equal to left, condition is true, the value of swapped is true, condition is this condition is true. Then execute this part, the swapped value is true, then swapped value is true. Then let's see, this array is arranged, and here while check the condition, while swapped equal to true, condition is true because the swapped value is true, then loop is terminated, and pivot value is insert, pivot value is written 1. Let's see, here pivot value is written 1, and this array divided in two parts, one is array, this array, and first value is 0 and pivot value is 2 minus 1 minus 1 0. It check this condition, here we call this function, and this is quick sort, and first is less than last, condition is false because here first value is 0 and pivot value is 1 minus 1 is 0, condition is false because 0. And then execute this line, quick sort array pivot plus 1, the pivot value is 1 plus 1 is 2 and last value is 1, and check, we call the here's a quick sort function, check this condition, first value is 1 and last value, first value is 2 because pivot value is 1 and 1 is 2 and last value is 1, and condition is false. This array is sorted, and we check this array because we already discussed this, execute, we already execute this line, and we execute this line, array, this is array and pivot plus 1, here now pivot value is initial return is 2 and first value is 3 and last value is 3 because last value is 3 and first value is 3, and we call the quick sort function. This is quick sort function, and check the condition. First value is 3 and last value is 3. It is not true because is equal. First value is not equal, not less than last. Then this loop, this function is terminate. Then here we already insert the value and we call the quick sort function, and after the sorted array, and we use the for loop display this array. Let's see, we display this array. Our array is make, our is make, and we insert the value here. This value is 11 and 18 and 23 is fixed, and 39. Let's we display this array. We execute this program. We enter the value of n is 3. We enter the value is 23, 11 and 39 and 18. Let's see. We enter the values 23. We enter the value 23 and 11 and 39, and the array is sorted 11, 18, 23 and 39. Thank you so much.